The life of a Roman soldier in the ancient Roman Empire was a combination of discipline, hardship, camaraderie, and the fulfillment of civic duty. Roman soldiers, often referred to as legionaries, were essential to the expansion, defense, and maintenance of the vast Roman Empire. Roman soldiers came from diverse backgrounds and social classes. Many enlisted voluntarily, while others were conscripted, and some were drawn from the ranks of non-citizens who sought Roman citizenship through military service. The life of a Roman soldier was characterized by rigorous training, strict discipline, and a strong sense of duty to the state. Roman soldiers underwent intense physical and mental training, starting as young as 16 or 17 years old. Training included marching, combat drills, and physical conditioning. Discipline was a fundamental aspect of military life. Roman legions were known for their strict adherence to rules and regulations, with infractions often met with severe punishment. This discipline was designed to maintain unit cohesion and effectiveness in battle. Soldiers lived in military camps, often situated near the frontiers of the empire or other strategic locations. These camps were well organized and featured a structured daily routine. The soldiers' living quarters were basic, consisting of shared barracks with bunk beds and minimal personal space. They received regular rations of food, which typically included bread, wine, meat, and sometimes vegetables. Roman soldiers had various responsibilities, which included patrolling and defending the empire's borders, conducting military exercises, and participating in campaigns to expand or protect Roman territories. They were often stationed in far-flung regions for extended periods, which meant separation from their families and homes. Roman soldiers were expected to adapt to different climates and terrain, from the arid deserts of North Africa to the cold forests of Germania. Life in the military created strong bonds among soldiers. They relied on each other for support and protection in the harsh conditions of the battlefield. This camaraderie extended beyond duty and was nurtured through shared experiences, rituals, and traditions. The loyalty to one's comrades and the unit was a fundamental part of a Roman soldier's identity. Roman soldiers were well equipped with standardized weapons and armor. A legionary typically carried a short sword, gladius, a javelin, pilum, a large rectangular shield, scutum, and wore a segmented metal cuirass. They were trained in various formations and tactics, including the famous testudo formation, a shield wall that provided excellent protection against enemy projectiles. Roman soldiers faced the reality of war and the risks associated with it. They participated in numerous campaigns against various adversaries, including barbarian tribes, rival empires, and internal revolts. Battles could be brutal and deadly, and Roman soldiers were often required to demonstrate courage and resolve in the face of adversity. Roman soldiers typically served for 20 to 25 years. Upon retirement, they were entitled to various benefits, including land grants and the possibility of Roman citizenship for themselves and their families. This was seen as a reward for their years of service and a way to integrate them into Roman society as loyal citizens.